Hello everyone, my name is Sharon Armstrong and I'm a breast cancer survivor. 21 years ago, I found a lump on my breast in the shower because we are told to do self-exams, and I highly encourage that because you see, I'd had a mammogram 9 months before. Didn't show anything. So you can imagine how surprised I was that not even a year later, I found the lump. I was in the shower, tears streaming down my face, not knowing what I was going to do because my husband was out of work. We have 5 children. My youngest was 8 years old. How in the world was I going to afford doctors and treatment to get rid of this lump? I had no idea. I called my OB/GYN doctor and I told them, what do I do? I found a lump. And they said, well, we can't wait. We have to do some testing. I went to the facility and got my testing done. And while I was waiting for the results, I got a phone call from that facility encouraging me to contact an organization that could possibly help with the funding to pay for my testing. I reached out to that group, and sure enough, they took care of all of those testing bills. I was blown away. I couldn't believe that there was some organization out there that could possibly help me when I needed it. As I began to go through the process and the results came back that I did have cancer, my family doctor knew a surgeon in the area and he contacted him and asked him, do you think that you could work with her? She does not have any insurance. She has young children. Her husband's out of work. And he said, absolutely. Made the appointment for that Thursday. On Tuesday, a friend of mine stopped by and said that her doctor had recommended that I contact this organization in the Dallas, Texas area to see if they could help as well. 24 hours later, I was approved into the program and they were willing to take me on as one of their clients and take care of all of my expenses to rid my body of the cancer. I couldn't believe it. Once again, someone had donated money previously to help me at that time. So I asked the lady on the phone, do I cancel the doctor's appointment that I have to see the surgeon on Thursday? And she says, no, we'll contact him and see if he's willing to be part of our organization. This organization consisted of doctors, hospitals, oncologists, pharmaceutical companies who were all willing to donate their time or services or supplies to helping those who were underinsured. Really? It was almost too good to be true. So sure enough, the surgeon agreed that he would be willing to take care of me because come to find out, his partner was also part of the organization. He says, I'll just work under her. That surgeon took me into surgery 4 times, never asked me for a dime. If you can imagine, the last time that I was going to see him for a follow-up, I was trying very hard to spit out the words, thank you. Thank you for helping me fight the cancer. He put up his hand and he said, Sharon, I know what you're trying to say. Because there was tears streaming down my face. He said, I'm a surgeon. My job is to save lives. Everything else just muddies the waters. Ugh, that man. That man and everyone else who took care of me during that time, I will never forget that. I could never pay them, but I could also, eventually I learned that I could pay it forward. I could help talk to breast cancer survivors or those who were going through cancer and show them that they could survive. Your hair will come back. You can go on living. The American Cancer Society was another organization that stepped in and did some things for me when I was battling my cancer. Today, I am part of the Stamp Out Breast Cancer that is being held by fellow demonstrators. They have an in-person event going on, and if you're at that in-person event, I know you're having a wonderful time. I wish I could be there, but I can be a part of it virtually. Just like if you're watching this video, you could be a part of this as well. If you choose to support this cause and your donation is more than $25, I will be sending you a tutorial of card making projects using the stamp set from Stampin' Up called Layering Leaves. Some beautiful cards in there to inspire you. Plus, you'll be entered into a door prize drawing that is going on. And good luck with that. I hope you're a winner. If you notice my cute little t-shirt, the vendor who designed the shirts is also willing to donate a portion of the proceeds back to our cause, the Stamp Out Breast Cancer. All of the proceeds, 100% of the proceeds, are going to the organization called Making Strides Against Breast Cancer in Boston. That is part of the American Cancer Society. I hope you'll join us in this fight. Take care, everyone, and let's stamp out breast cancer together.